Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook Exercise 5.3. Question number 8. Identify the type of conic and find center, foci, vertices and directrices of each of the following. Question number 5th. 18x square plus 12y square minus 144x plus 48y plus 120. Here question number 8th, fourth one. Write the equations 18x square plus 12y square minus 144x plus 48y plus 120 equals 0. Now let us split like 18x square minus here 144x is there, so 8 into 18 is 144, so 8x plus y term is 12y square plus 4 into 12, the 48 is 4 into 12, that is 4y equal minus 120. Now further we have to completing the squares. Look at here. First 18x square minus 8x, half of 8 is 4, so 4 squared is 16. Adding 16, subtracting 16 plus 12 here, y squared, half 4y, half of 4y is 2, 2y, that is 2 squared is 4, we had to add, subtracting 4 equal minus 120. Further 18 here, x squared minus 8 minus 8x plus 16 we can write as x minus 4 the square and minus 16, not minus 16, 16 into 18 is 16 into 18 is how, that is minus 288 plus here 12 into y square plus 4y plus 4 is y plus 2 the square and minus 4 into 12 is 48 equal minus 120. Now 18 x minus 4 the square plus 12 y plus 2 the square equal minus 120. Minus 288 come this side is plus 288, minus 48 come this side is plus 48. So we have this addition, that first 18 x minus 4 the square plus 12 y plus 2 the square equal minus 120 plus 288 plus 48 is 216. Now divide both sides by 216 gives 18 x minus 4 the square plus 12 y plus 2 the square by 216 equal 216 over 216 is 1. Now here 18 and 216 cut, it gives 12, that is x minus 4 the square over 12 plus 216 and 12 it will cut for 18, so y plus 2 the square over 18 is equal to 1. It is an ellipse. It's an equation of ellipse. Now from that we can find the a square equal 18 because major axis is parallel to y axis, and b square equal to 12, and therefore c square equal a square plus b square, which is a square plus c square equal a square minus b square, because here major axis parallel to y-axis, so y square minus b square, which is equal 18 minus 16 equal 18 minus 12, 18 minus 12 equal 6, which gives c equals square root of 6. Now eccentricity E is square root of 1 minus b square over a square is equal 1 minus 12 over 18, which is further equal 1 over 2 over 3, further 3 is an LCM, 3 minus 2, which gives 1 over 3 the square root. Therefore first the center is, look here, center is minus 4 become plus 4, minus plus 2 become minus 2, so 4 minus 2 is the center, which gives h equal to 4 and k is minus 2, k is plus, k is minus 2, k is minus 2. Therefore next one, vertices are h comma k minus a and h comma k plus a. Now here h is 4 and k is minus 2, a is minus 3, here root 6, k we have, k is minus 2 and a is 3 root 2, because a is 18, so root of a becomes 3 root 2 and h is 4 comma minus 2 plus root of 18 is 3 root 2. Now this is the, actually this is the vertices. Now foci are h k minus c and h comma k plus c. Therefore h is 4 minus k is minus 2 minus root 6 and 4 minus k, that minus k is minus 2 plus of root 6. Then we got this one, foci. D is equation of vertices. Equation of vertices are y plus 2 equal plus or minus a over e, which gives y plus 2, get the positive things, a is 3 root 2 over 1 over root 3, which gives 3 root 2 into root 3, 3 root 2 into root 3, which is equal 3 root 6. 3 root 6 means, therefore y equal 3 root 6 minus 3 root 6 minus 2 is first vertex. The second vertex is y plus 2, use it, positive negatives 3 root 2 over 1 over root 3, which gives minus 3 root 6. Therefore, y equal minus 2 minus 3 root 6 is the second vertices. This is the vertices we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.